open the WordPress dashboard on Localhost, follow these steps. Install XAMPP. Download and install XAMPP from the official website based on your operating system. Follow the installation instructions. Start Apache and MySQL. Open the XAMPP control panel and click Start next to Apache and MySQL. These are necessary for running WordPress locally. Download and install WordPress. Go to the official WordPress website and download the latest version of WordPress. Extract the downloaded zip file. Move the extracted WordPress folder to the htdocs directory located in the XAMPP installation folder. Create a database in phpMyAdmin. Open your browser and go to the following link. Create a new database for your WordPress site. Configure WordPress. Go to the following link in your browser. Select your language and enter the database details. Database name, username, password. Click Submit and follow the setup steps. Access the dashboard. Once the setup is complete, log into the WordPress dashboard by going to the following link. You'll be able to manage your website locally.